Bang.
Welcome back once more in business tonight. The Kenya Revenue Authority plans to overhaul the income tax return filing infrastructure by abandoning the long-held Excel file download system and adopting use of a web-based system as it seeks to streamline filing following changes brought about by the Finance Act of 2026. The law has amended Section 52 of the income tax to introduce a staggered system for filing income tax returns. Natural persons expected to file by the end of the fourth month following the end of their year of income, while non-natural persons will be expected to file by the close of the sixth month following the end of their year of income. NTV's Brian George Otieno explains.
Effective 1st January 2027, Kenyans relying on employment income, most of whom have a December year end, will be expected to file their returns by 30th of April, while companies will be expected to file returns by 30th of June. KRA now says to further buttress the changes brought about by staggered income tax return filing, it will switch to a web-based system, which means that taxpayers will now file returns directly on a browser over the internet as opposed to having to download and populate an Excel file as they have been doing.
We have staggered returns in the Act so that the individual returns will be due by April and the persons, the non-natural persons, will be due by June. That makes then the traffic not coming at the same time. And are we transferring the problem we had in June to April? No, because most of the filers are individuals. We're not transferring the problem there because there are other things we are doing to ensure that the system will be stable even if we have more filers in April. The first thing is we're introducing web-based returns, and these returns, we are not going to have to require you to fill the Excel anymore. It will be web-based.
Web-based return filing, which is expected to be rolled out in the course of 2027, will be the latest among a number of measures that KRA has taken to streamline the income tax filing process and widen visibility of the country's taxable base. On 1st of April 2026, KRA introduced filing of income tax returns via social media platform WhatsApp as it targeted boosting compliance among Kenyans whose income tax returns were not complicated. The taxman says that the planned overhaul of the income return filing system includes widening the scope of the filing that can be done via WhatsApp to accommodate more complex and voluminous returns. The upgrade of WhatsApp income tax return filing includes equipping KRA's AI-powered virtual assistant, Shuru, with stronger capabilities.
Shuru will have stabilized because now whatever were the teething problems, she'll have been here for more than 6 months, so she'll be of better use, and we want to extend what you can do on WhatsApp, not just what we had for employees. We want to extend it so that you can file a whole range of returns on WhatsApp.
Section 75 of the Tax Procedures Act has since been amended with the inception of the Finance Act 2026. Why is this important, you may ask? This law now allows KRA to auto-populate tax information and tax returns, and also helps to issue important tax documents like withholding tax certificates. Brian George Otieno, NTV, Nairobi.
A push to deconcentrate Africa's payments away from dominance by the US dollar is gaining traction with Africa's largest bank by asset base and the parent company of Stanbic Bank reporting having processed